Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Rhyme of the 7 R's Waste Fair 2025 palapalong da ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board bat ka 98.3 Big FM ha State Convention Center Shillong kala khot bat wer yagi pat ba pan pun kot no ya ka jingpunan kam yagi plastik ha kani ngi la sakilang da menteri katnat jingok kai perthai ka sarkar jila ba polling do ubla long kum kongsan kentup ru chairman jong ka Pollution Control Board OR Naina Malai PCCF and HOFF ORS Gil Commissioner and Secretary Katnat Forest and Environment UP Bakshi ki khana school bat kiwi.
The message is very clear that we either sustain our growth through a meaningful approach to the environment and commit ourselves to the 7 R's: recycle, refuse, reduce, reuse, repair, regift, and recover, or our future and the future of our generations to come will be at stake. I would also like to turn your attention to the fact that when we speak about the ban on plastic, we had carried this out as the executive committee of the KHADC when I was in charge of this particular department. And today I'm happy that more stakeholders have joined hands, and more than just what is good for the environment, the ban on plastic has also helped the local economy grow. In the War region, for instance, people who have been growing this organic leaves, kasla, have gained economically. People have come back to the use of paper bags, again another source of income for numerous families. And therefore, my message to our youngsters is, let us team up and ensure that we take this battle forward. Ensure that we do not allow activities that choke our rivers, our drains. And for this, I must congratulate all the schools who have come to be part of this wake-up call. I'd like to see that a day will come when it will not be necessary any longer for government officers to have signboards that say, do not spit, do not rub lime. Because back in our own homes, we do not do that. And we do not need reminders to be hung on the walls of our homes.
From the hills of the East, a new voice rises. Hello, Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.